Timber. Somewhat rough on the surface, but often quite soft on the inside. And so, at LDCwood, we made it our mission to transform even the meekest of softies into true superheroes. With our expertise and experts, we as a Belgian ThermoWood pioneer are able to impart extraordinary powers to timber, whether that be pine, ash, spruce, poplar, Fraké, or Ayous. During the modification process, the timber is treated at 208 degrees Celsius for at least 150 minutes. This significantly enhances the properties of our hero right to the core. The new powers of this newly minted hero are quite impressive. No chemicals are used in the treatment. The super timber was, and still is, completely natural. Not only did the transformation cause the timber to lose a lot of weight, but ThermoWood also retains its shape from now on. We know most superheroes wear a cape, but with ThermoWood, an extra layer or coating is completely unnecessary. The timber is more durable than before. Insects, wood rot, and mold no longer have a chance. And the tanned, elegant appearance, you get that for free, even though our new hero can still turn gray. ThermoWood protects residents from the weather with good insulating properties, and it's easy to work with. The perfect properties for the construction of today and tomorrow. Do you also fancy a heroic story? ThermoWood by LDCwood.